Customizing scoring settings for your league. How to adjust scoring rules to fit your league's preference on Sleeper. Now, Sleeper offers a robust system for customizing your league's scoring settings, and here's how you can adjust your rules to perfectly match your league's preferences. The first is accessing scoring settings. So number one, you'll have commissioner privileges, so you must be the league commissioner to change the scoring settings on your league. Now, second is league settings. You can go to your league's main page and find the settings or the commissioner tab that you can see right here in this case. So you can see commissioner control and you can update the commissioner settings. You can customize the scoring strategies. So Sleeper allows you to adjust scoring for a wide range of categories, including passing or rushing or receiving or kicking, defense or special teams, and so on. Now you can also adjust point values, which means for each scoring category, you can customize the number of points awarded or deducted. This allows you to fine-tune the value of different statistics and player types. And by carefully considering your league's scoring settings, you can create unique and engaging fantasy football experience that perfectly matches your league's preference. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.